Hi guys, in this video you're going to see the previous year 2020 GATE question in data structures, and this question comes under the topic tree traversal, that is finding the post order traversal of the binary search tree. So before going to the question, as usual, please subscribe to get more solved GATE questions, and if you have any doubts or any questions to be resolved, please let me know through the comment section. Send me in the comment section, definitely I will answer within a week. So the question here is, let's go to the question. The question here is, the pre-order traversal of the binary search tree is given. Which one of the following is the post-order traversal of the tree? Here I am highlighting the terms pre-order and post-order in blue color. Why? Because usually students will think we can easily do this sum just by using mind calculations. But please don't do that mistake, because every problem will be easy and also correct only we write down as steps. So here the terms pre-order and post-order may get confuse you. That's why I highlight in blue color. We have to think clearly the rules about pre-order traversal and post-order traversal. So let's do this sum step by step. Here to solve this sum we have to do two steps only. First one is, we have to draw the binary tree of the given pre-order traversal, and from that binary tree we have to derive the post-order traversal. Just two steps we have to do. So don't do any mind calculations. Pen down your answers. That is most important to get the correct answer and a confident mark. So what I am telling, we have to draw the binary search tree of the pre-order. So before drawing the tree, here we are using repeatedly the terms pre-order traversal, post-order traversal. So let's see what is this. Just a small recap. So we have three types of traversals in binary search tree. They are in-order tree traversal, pre-order traversal, and post-order traversal. So in-order traversal means it is a binary search tree in which the traversal takes place, that is visiting of the nodes takes place from the visiting of the nodes begins from the left subtree of the root node, and then the root node, and then to the right subtree. The traversal begins from left subtree and then to the root and then to the right. See, from left subtree to the root and then from root to the right subtree. Just imagine this diagram. It will be easy to memorize, right? So in-order traversal is searching or visiting or traversing the binary search tree from left subtree to the root and then to the right subtree. So likewise in pre-order traversal we are moving from root to the left subtree and then from left to right subtree. In post-order traversal we move from left to right subtree and then from right subtree to root node. So please make sure you are very well known, but we make mistake only in these things. Left, root, right, and a root to left, right, root. Sorry. So in-order traversal, pre-order traversal, post-order traversal. These things should be memorized like a formula. So as I said, we have to draw the binary tree for the given pre-order traversal. So this is the pre-order. For this I am just draw the binary tree. So what is pre-order traversal? Root, then left subtree and then right subtree. So here I simply told root, left and right. You will understand what I am telling. So in this given pre-order traversal we have to take this first data as root node, root. Then the numbers that are lesser than the root goes to the left node of the left subtree, and the numbers that are greater than the root goes to the right subtree. 10, 12, 11 moves to left, 20, 18, 16, 19 moves to right. And here we have to make another tree. So as usual, first one becomes root node, lesser numbers moves to left subtree. Here no lesser numbers, only greater numbers. So I am just moving to right. And from this the first one becomes root node, lesser one goes to left side and then finishes. Next this side 20, first one goes to root node, lesser one 18, 16, 19 moves to left side. In that first one 18 is the root node and 16 is lesser, so moves to left side, 19 is greater, moves to right side. This diagram may looks messy. I have changed this diagram into clear one. Same diagram in clear format. The root node is 15, 10, 20. What we have seen in the previous one. I just remove these intermediate nodes. I simply connect all these single nodes and the diagram becomes like this. So this is the pre-order traversal. In the question they mention pre-order traversal, that diagram. From this we are going to derive the post-order traversal. What is the rule for post-order traversal? Left subtree, right subtree and then root node. So we are moving to the left subtree. Here is the left subtree. In this the leftmost is nothing, 11. Sorry, the left subtree in this root node is 10. For this no left, so we are moving to the right side. 12. For this left is 11. So we start from the least left one, last left one. So left is the 11 is the first number in the post order traversal. We are writing as 11. Then there is no right. We move to the root node 12. So we take that root. Again, this is already the right side node. So we move to the root 10. And next one, we are going to all the left subtree gets finished. So now we are moving to the right subtree. In that right subtree, we are again using the same rule, left, right and then root. So left 18. For that left 16. Okay. So 16. Then right 19. And then root 18. So here there is no right. So we directly go to root 20. Again the last final root 15. This is the answer. 11, 12, 11, 12, 10, 16, 19, 18, 20, 15. This is the actual post order traversal. If you are very clear with these rules, left, right, root and for pre-order, like that, if you are very clear with these rules, you can do it in 30 seconds. You can answer this question in 30 seconds by writing on the note, by doing all these steps. Then you can get the right answer. You may get twisted by the options. So please step down your answers in the paper step by step. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Thank you.